Buenos dias. Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias here. It's Parrish here from Caban Condos, guys. Another hot day here in Yucatan. We're live here from our oceanfront condo project in San Crisanto, and I'm just trying to figure out this video here quick. 1 second. Okay, it's very hot here. Oh my god. I'm sweating like crazy here, so bear with me. It's Yucatan summers are pretty hot. So anyways, so yes, good morning. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of I'm standing on our ground floor in our ground floor condo right now. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour and show you what's going on here. So we're sold out. Just to let everybody know, we're sold out. 13 of 16 units so far. I'm gonna try to get into the shade here. So we're sold out 13 of 16 units so far. We did sell, we're in the process of selling a third floor unit, so we will have just one third floor unit left and two of the ground floors. And we have some special promotional pricing on our last 3 units right now. So definitely, if you're in the market, contact us and we'll send you some information as well. Special pricing in Canadian dollars for our Canadian clients, so contact us regarding all that fun stuff. So yeah, for those that don't know, for those that are new to following us, we're a Canadian developer based out of Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. My name is Parrish. I live here in Merida most full-time. My business partner Mike Delaire, he resides in Saskatoon, so I'm kind of the guy on the ground handling things down here in Mexico. And like I said, we're a developer. We've been in Mexico about 8 years now, and this is our current oceanfront condo project that is currently under construction now. And we are sold out 13 of 16 units, and yeah, very proud and very thankful at this stage to be where we are currently. So thank you to our buyers for that. We really appreciate it. So I'll give you guys a quick tour here. I'll switch the camera around here. Here we go. So I'm going to start from the back. I'll start from the rear, from the back, and walk on in to show you the view. So for those that don't know, we have 2 towers here. We're doing 2 towers, okay? We do have an elevator on the property. We will have an elevator. Here's the walkway in between the 2 towers, and as you can see, the ocean there. So let's walk inside here and let's walk inside. So as soon as you enter the rear of the condo, you see the ocean. So in here, we're going to have a little storage closet area as you enter, right here. Okay, I'm going to take you right through just to walk you through and see. Let me just clean up this camera because it's very humid and very hot here right now. So there we go. So here, as we're walking through, passing the kitchen area, you see the beautiful ocean. You can see our terraces. We're going to have large terraces. So as you see where the edge of the condo finishes about here, you can see where our terrace extends out to here. So in here is where our pool is going to be. We're going to be starting the pool within the next few weeks. So large pool area here, palapa bar area here. Just going to get out of the wind here. And beautiful white sand beach, and as you can see, the ocean. And we're set back approximately 60 meters. Set back approximately 60 meters from the sea. So plenty safe, plenty of room from us, from the property, and the ocean. And I can't zoom my camera out here. That's not good. There we go. Okay, so yeah, all this vegetation, we have to retain some vegetation, but we will clean it up. We're going to plant a lot of palm trees, coconut trees. So this is the first floor view. So literally I'm standing right now on the first floor, and the higher you go, the better better view you're going to get. But this is a pretty darn good view for the price. I would have to say so myself. So, and the ground floor is amazing. You're overlooking the pool. You walk out of your terrace door, walk to the pool, walk to the beach, jump into the ocean. So nothing wrong with the ground floor. That's for sure. So give you a little tour here. So here's this will be our living area. TV will go on the wall here. Dining area in this vicinity. We do have 10-foot ceilings, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that, but we do have 10-foot ceilings. Hi Lorna, thank you. Gracias, muchas gracias. So our kitchen island's going to be in this area here. So here's going to be our kitchen, dishwasher right in here, and we do include full upper and lower cabinets, kitchen island, dishwasher. So a nice large kitchen area. Just imagine cooking and just looking out at the sea. Hey Bob and Sue, how you guys doing? Lori, thanks for joining us. So please, guys, like and share, and I would appreciate if you could share this, help us spread the word about, if you love Mexico as much as we do. If you love Mexico as much as we do, please, we would appreciate if you could like and share this video, comment any questions you may have. Like to spread the word and help us sell these last 3 units for you. We'd really appreciate that, and we really appreciate all your support you've given us so far. And truly, social media has been great for us. It's truly spread the word about us and our company and what we're doing here in Mexico, and it's been incredible, and we're very fortunate and thankful for that. So please like and share. We really appreciate it, and thank you so much. So let's continue this tour here. So let's go into the master bedroom. So as we enter the master here, watch this, check this out. Turn the corner and boom, beautiful, well, I got the scaffolding there, but beautiful ocean view. Nice large master bedroom. Sorry if this is shaky, I'm just trying to walk over all the construction stuff here. So nice large master bedroom. Again, the terrace is going to extend, a large terrace here all the way out to here. Large terrace in the master bedroom. So nice, yeah, again, nice large master bedroom. Walking into the bathroom, his and hers closets here and here. Shower with glass door, his and hers sinks, and toilet area. So actually this unit that I'm standing in right now is one of the ground floors that are available. We do have 2 of them available. The 2 outside units have been sold, and these 2 inside units are available. So this could be your view. So let's go see the rest here. Oh, it's a hot one today. Hope everyone's having a great weekend so far. I'm sweating my face off here. It's about 33 degrees, hot and humid. But that's the summers here in Yucatan in Mexico. Hopefully everyone's staying warm back in Canada. I heard there was some snow in some areas. So come on down and join us in Mexico. So here's the laundry area right in here, and the main bathroom, okay, and the second bedroom here. Nice large second bedroom, closet area, large window, and yeah, nice size. We do, I think I did mention, we do have 10-foot ceilings here in the condos. So that's just a beautiful space, you know, nice and open. So here's the third bedroom. This room's a little bit smaller, but still enough room for a single or double bed. This will be the least favorite family member can stay in this room, but still nice. So So yeah, I took some photos and videos with the drone. We're gonna upload those later this weekend. And if anybody has any questions about anything, please send us a message or comment on this video. Please like and share. We'd really appreciate it if you spread the love about us and Mexico. So for those that are new, I'll just say we are just 45-50 minutes outside Merida. I think I did mention that already, but if you haven't been to this area yet, I highly recommend to check it out. Most of our clients have, been and done Riviera Maya, Puerto Vallarta, other touristy parts of Mexico, and have discovered our area and just fell in love with it. It's a very different area, low cost of living here. It's full of history and culture. I'm sorry, I'm just dripping. Looks like I just had a shower. I need to jump in the ocean here. It's full of history and culture. Like I said, low cost of living, great retirement area, plenty of things to do, and just less touristy. That's just one thing that many of our clients, the people that we talk to, they love this area because you don't have somebody bothering you on the beach to sell you something or this or that. It's much less touristy and more enjoyable, just more laid back here. So, and then the bonus is you have Merida, a great city with everything you could ever imagine. Great healthcare and medical, dental. It has everything. So it's a really great area. So again, I gotta go jump in the ocean here because I'm melting here. So thanks guys for watching, and have a great day. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we will see you soon. Hasta luego.